Hi guys, Jay here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your US Tech payment profile. From here you can have payments come out monthly automatically, you can make quick and easy one-time payments, and you can view and download invoices and send them in at any time. You're going to receive your US Tech portal credentials via email, and once you get those credentials from your representative, you can go to voip.ustech.com, put in your credentials, click sign in. That'll bring you to this desktop application screen here. This screen right here is a phone altogether, but that's another video. You're going to go up to your picture or your initials right here, click on that, then click on apps, and then automation manager. When you get to the automation manager screen, you'll see this make a payment button down here. Go ahead and click on that. On this screen, you can make a one-time payment by scrolling down, clicking I agree, and click submit payment. If you don't have a payment profile already set up, it won't let you do that. So let's set up a payment profile for you right here. Click add new payment profile. That'll bring you to authorize.net, and here you can choose credit card or bank account. You can also choose to have your payments taken out monthly automatically. Just simply fill out all the information and click save. When you're in the accounting tab here in the automation manager, you can go to invoices, click on a particular invoice, and then you can either download the invoice or simply view the invoice. Now these invoices will be itemized for the whole month. Let's click view, and you'll see here you can tear off this payment slip, fill it out, and mail it to this address right here. And you'll see the invoice is itemized for the whole month. And that's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this video.